How to send someone money with Apple Pay. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send someone money with Apple Pay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you might want to do is head over to your Apple Wallet and check your balance. After you do that and after you have money, what you can do is you can head over to the Messages app. On the Messages app, it's really easy to send money. What you will need to do is tap on the plus icon on the left, bottom left, and then here you should find the Apple Pay option. Now, simply tap on Apple Pay or Apple Cash, and after you tap on it, you should get this interface. Now, right here, what you'll need to do is you will need to select the amount that you want to send, and after you select the certain amount that you want to send, simply send it, and it's that simple. And that is how you can send someone money with Apple Pay. And that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.